colitis. Then becomes a chronic colitis. Means what will happen? Modhama vas, knee pain, back ache, eye burning. What you eat? दूध पियो છો, છાસ, કાંદા લસણ, તેલ મરચું. તેલ મરચું ખટાશ ઓછા કરો, કાંદા લસણ બંધ કરો, શાકભાજી થોડું માત્ર બાફીને મીઠા વગર ખાઓ. સવારે ને સાંજે દૂધ નહીં પીઓ તો છાશ પીઓ. એ તો પછી તમારે કોઈ ક્રીમ નહીં લગાડવું પડે. त्वचा का सौंदर्य, चेहरे का निखार, आंखों की चमक, एकमात्र उपाय शाकाहारी बनिए. And the last is that when you cultivate a habit of the crossing the legs, Sukhasana, Swastikasana, or otherwise a Siddhasana, Padmasana, or the Muslim friends, they do namaz, is a Vajrasana, that all will help you for circulation of blood to the internal viscera, the abdomen. And blood circulation to the heart. Heart will not have any problem, the pumping of blood to the cerebellum, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, parotid, and so on. The whole system, it's how you live the life. Yoga is a way of living a life. Yoga is an art of living a life. Yoga is a harmony. That's all. Harmony with the self. That's all. बहुत नानी नानी बाबत है. બધા सिख लोग गुरुद्वारा में जाते हैं तो ऐसा बैठते हैं, कुर्सी में बैठते हैं. दसो जी पापा जी, दसो जी आलती मारती उधर कुर्सियां ना काय उठे. साढ़े मंदिरां च कुर्सी लगी पई हैं. हाँ किन्ना बड़ा होवे उत्थे जाके इधर बैठना पैठना थल्ले ही जी पे की होया. हाँ वो पंजाबी च कहते हुए सुरमा पा तो लेंदी जेणी क्यों नहीं मटकोंदी कोई कोई इधर. Very essential. And the nervous system running will along with Vatam. This all can be done, refined, in miraculous thing. Your memory will increase. Your mind will be calm. Your blood pressure will be controlled. Digestion will be good. And you will be feeling always, when you get up from the bed, full of energy, full of life. The whims, the vigor, the vigilance, the diligence, the light, the power, the strength, the courage and beauty. Nothing will be lacking in you. Just have one key. You are the key. You are the way of a life. Yoga is the way of a life. सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति. हरि ओम. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरि ओम. Namaskar. Let us commence our Yogasana demonstration today with a Surya Namaskara. We'll be seeing him twice. We'll be seeing it twice, initially with the mantras and then the breathing associated with it. Om Mitraya Ravaye Namah Suryaya Namah Dhanave Khagaya Namah Pushnena Hiranyagarbhaya Namah Marichaye Namah Adityaya Namah Savitre Namah Arakaya Namah Bhaskaraya Namo Namah. Oh, Surya Namaskar. Position number 1 is a normal breathing, 2 is inhalation. Oh. In the third, we are supposed to breathe out. Oh. In the fourth position, we are supposed to breathe in, left leg back. Oh. Fifth, to retain the breath. Oh. Sixth, to breathe out. Oh. Seventh, to breathe in. Oh. Eighth, to breathe out. In the ninth, right foot front to breathe in. Oh. 10 to breathe out. Oh. 11 to breathe in. Oh. And 12 breathe out. Oh. Surya Namaskar. Long sitting. Prepare for Sarvanga. Sarva Anga Asana. It gives benefit to our respiratory, circulatory, alimentary, genitourinary, and the nervous system which is rolling along with the vertebral column. Children below 12, ladies during menstruation period, during pregnancy, even those who are having a high myopia, pus running in the ear, or a myocardial infarction, people, they should not practice Shirsa Sarvanga Inhala. Those who are suffering from cervical spondylosis, they should not practice Sarvanga. Next is Hala. Om. 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 Halasana, the plow posture. Hala, the plow posture. It opens the all vertebrae of spine and hence blood rushes there. You will be full of life, full of energy, full of vitality. You will never feel tired, you will never feel fatigue. The beauty of it. Those who are suffering from bleeding piles, for them it is a Ramban Ilaj. Long sitting. And now we'll see Matsya Asana, fish pose. Matsya, the fish pose. In the Sarvanga Inhala, the chest and chin were locked. Your chest and chin are separated. Those who are sitting in the office or upon a computer for a number of hours, they must practice this, because this can protect you from a cervical spondylosis, hunchback pain and lumbosacral pain. Matsya is opening the lungs, your full vital potential breathing capacity, which is being measured in the medical science 2800 cc to 3600 cc. You can achieve that. Matsya, the fish pose. Those who can't sit in Padmasana, they can stretch their leg, keep their hands under the bums, and they can practice it. And the next is the Yoga Mudra. Yoga Mudra removes all disorder of the abdomen. There is a nerve known as a vagus nerve. It's in the mouth also, in the stomach also. Because of the practice of a Yoga Mudra, this particular vagus nerve has been activated, and hence the digestion becomes good. The following posture is Paschimottana Asana, head knee pose. ઘરમાં જઈને પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી જોજો. મહારાજ મારો અંગૂઠા નથી પકડાતા, તો એડી પકડો. મહારાજ ઈ નો પકડાય તો શું કરીએ? તો ઘૂંટી પકડો. પણ એ ન પકડાય તો ઢીચણ પકડીએ. પકડને મારી માં. પણ માથાને તો ઢીચણમાં મૂકવું જ પડશે. થાય કરી લે. Those who are suffering from a diabetics, friends, the practice of Paschimottanasana activates our pancreas and helps to control a glucose in the system. It may be hyperglycemia or a hypoglycemia. Our most respected and revered friend Dr. Mayur Patel, when he feels Swamiji 3 મહિનાથી દવા બદલ કરું છું, કઈ મેળ પડતો નથી, he will be sending his patient to our ashram. The beginning course in the morning, દર મહિનાની 1 તારીખથી 10 તારીખ, સવારે 5:30 થી 7, સવારે ડોક્ટર અમીન સાહેબ શીખવે. 10 દિવસમાં you find a change. 1 મહિનામાં તો ગલગોટા જેવો થઈ જાય. Paschimotthana Asana. Om. Bhujanga, cobra. Om. Bhujanga is the cobra. It's a wonderful blessings for the suffering from cervical spondylosis, hunchback pain and lumbosacral pain. Bhujanga doesn't eat much. એ સરપ કંઈ ઝાઝું ખાતો નથી, ક્યારેક ઉંદર, ક્યારેક ડેડકું, નહીં તો કીડી મંકોડા. વાયુ ભક્ષણ કરે. ધોઝ આર એપિક્લન્સ એન્ડ ગ્લુટન્સ, ખાઉદ્રા લોકો. કેમ તમે આજે ઓફિસમાં નથી આવવાના? વિવાહીના માંડે જમવાનું હતું. શું જમ્યા? કાલા ગુલાબ જામુન. કેટલા ખાધા? 87. 100 કેમ ના કર્યા? મારી લાઈનમાં પીરસવાનું બંધ કરી નાખ્યું હતું કે છે. ઓ એવા લોકોએ તો આ કરવું જ જોઈએ. ધનુરાસન. ઓમ. જે હું કહું છું તે બધી કલ્પના નથી. રોજ રોજ આશ્રમમાં આવું બધા મહાપુરુષો પધારતા હોય છે. એની પાસેથી જ બધું શીખ્યો છું. ધનુરાસન. ઓમ. If you are a regular practitioner of Dhanurasana, you will never suffer of any of your rheumatism or a joint pain. Always full of, you will be vibrant. That's all. Om. Om. The following posture is a Chakrasana. Om. Chakra. Om. Om. Chakrasana is known as a 3-in-1. Bhujanga, Shalabha and Dhanur. All the 3 postures benefit one can derive in chakra. Om. 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 Long sitting. Om. Face the front. Om. The following is Ardha Matsyendra Asana. It can be done to the left and right both. It will be seen only with the folding of the left leg. Om. 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 Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Lateral spinal twist. આ તરફથી પાડવાનો ફોટો. This picture can be taken from this side is correct, sir. From this side. તો જ ખબર પડે તો બેકડ્રોપ આવે નહીં તો. No, 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 no. ઓજા અહીં આ ખૂણામાંથી અહીંથી. Yes, now see. Whole line you can see now. There you are. Ardha Matsyendra. એ અડધું છે, ફૂલ નથી. Lateral spinal twist is the only posture which is twisting the spine so the blood is rushing between the vertebrae. You are full of life and energy, bubbling of the energy. That's the secret of the. And also it helps to make a better function of the pancreas and control the glucose in the system. Om. You want once again? Om. 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 And the next is Akarna Dhanurasana. Om. Ho ho ho. Dere na tadin tanu. Om. 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 And now we'll see Mayura Asana. Dim ta dim ta dim ta dim ta dim da re na. Friends, in a grand finale to see something very special, quickly. From left to right we see Shirsasana, Sirangushta, Kurma, Nataraja, Padma Baka, Godohan Mudra, Padma Shirsha, Anjaneya, Veerabhadra, Yoga Nidra, look at this, Yoga Nidra, Raj Kapota and Garuda. Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Om. Friends, our yoga is known as the Shivananda Yoga. Look here, don't go away, please be seated. When someone wants to write the history of the yoga asana, the yoga science, they cannot minus the name of Swami Shivananda. He was the pioneer teacher of the yoga learning. He has never missed any yoga faculty, Karma Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Laya Yoga, Nad Yoga, Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, everything. The mind is mysteries and control, concentration, but all based in yoga. Some of the people used to complain that yoga is only for the yogis, it will make a man important. No, you will increase your important. You will be a new man in the society. And it was earlier for confined to the people on the cave. Swami Shivanandaji brought in the middle of a Chaurangi, Manik Chokma Lavinu Burakyo. It's available for all people, but we have to follow a rule. What is that? You have to eat in a time. Rate 12 vage Khaudra gali mein jao. Manik Chok mein jao, 1 vage ne khao. To savari yoga na thai. Vella khao, bane to 24 hour karo. This all can lead you. I have told you my books available there. And our next camp of the Yogasana, 26th after Dasera, 26th of October to 4th of November. And we are running throughout the day 5 yogasana. Our way of yoga is very scientific. What Patanjali said so. Satu nairantarya dirgha kala paryanta satkara sevito drada bhumi. Should be every day, systematically, scientifically, regularly, without fail and with interest. Very essential. Upon Mukesh Bhai, please be waiting. Please wait.
Well, friends, I have nothing more to say, but I would request all of you. I think we've got a beautiful message for health and wellness and how yoga can help. Swamiji, as vibrant, as dynamic as ever, I think and today, the Master Blaster was this wonderful performance which enthralled all of us. A standing ovation to revered Swami Adhyatmananji and his entire team. Please come up on the stage, all our friends. Please come up on the stage and a big round of applause for our friends. Thank you. Thank you very much, Swamiji. Thank you.
આની 21 વર્ષની દીકરી છે.